Hi there, and welcome to this review of Xtend. All right, 7 grams BCAAs. Okay, the original 7 gram BCAAs. This one is the Airheads cherry flavor, and so I'm gonna go over how I feel about it. I already tasted it, so I'll just go over how I feel about it. First, let's talk about the nutrition facts or the supplement facts right here in the back. Supplement facts. Always look at this in the back. It'll tell you what it fucking has. So calories, 5 calories, but it comes from not sugar. Okay, it comes from somewhere else. So it's probably the glutamine, the BCAAs. BCAAs have calories. Okay, let me say that again. BCAAs have calories. Okay, this one says zero sugar in the corner right here. Zero sugar. So this is the zero sugar BCAA Xtend. All right, but it does have calories. It has 5 grams of calories of branching amino acids. It has a lot actually. Leucine, which is the one that helps to recover, is 3,500. That's what you need in one serving in a day. In one day to not lose muscle. Okay, so just one scoop of this, you're set. All right. Now, if you're trying to grow muscle, then you want to go over. You want to go over a little bit more. You want to overcompensate, as Mike Menser, one of the greatest bodybuilders and thinkers of bodybuilding, said. Overcompensate in the food aspect. And then 250 glutamine, 1750 isoleucine, and 1750 valine. Okay, or valine. I may be pronouncing it wrong. I'm Mexican, so I grew up speaking Spanish as my first language. But when I was 5 until now, I speak English. So it's a kind of weird type of thing. But English is my number one. I know how to read and write English at the college, university level, and not so much the Spanish, because I didn't go to university in Spanish. All right. And they have the other ingredients, the citric acid, malic acid, and all these other like preservative things. That's why, like those older fit guys tell us, eat real food. But sometimes, we're fasting, we're not eating anything. So this preserves the muscle. You're working out during the day, you just want to sip on this because you're not going to be eating much. So this just kind of helps you with the recovery. Has glutamine. Glutamine is a fucking great fucking supplement. One of my favorite supplements, because I take it, fish oil as well. So that's a bonus tip. The next day, I'm like, mind is clear, body feels good, I'm recovering. I feel the recovery happening. You literally feel the recovery happening. I just realized that my head was getting chopped off throughout this. But yeah, it's a great flavor. As you see me talking, I'm sipping on it. I'm not going, ugh. The face expressions tell you if somebody's lying or not. They'll be like, it's good. No, this is really good. It tastes really good. So take it as, it's very sweet. So if you want it even more sweet, just do 2 more scoops and you should be fine. Again, very little calories. Has the calories because of the amino acids. Has a lot of amino acids. The best one has L-leucine, and it has glutamine. Those are the fundamentals. These are fundamentals in terms of supplements when you are not getting enough. But if you are having more than enough food, then yeah. You probably don't need this. It's just probably for flavor. So yeah, highly recommend it. I'm gonna put the link right here below, so you can get it if you have Amazon Prime or what have you. I think you'll get it like that same day. Amazon has like same day delivery now. It's crazy. They're getting faster and faster. Before we know it, they're gonna have like it's been teleported to your front door or what have you. But yeah, until next time. Hope you like this one. Peace.